When we have this kind of question, find the factors. Just factorize this binomial or solve this equation. Actually, they are same questions. When you find the factors, you find the roots. When you find the roots, you find the factors. So these two actually same questions, factorize this one or find the roots of this equation. Now, let me do it together, all right? Say from this one. From this one, that means x6 is equal to 64. So the question is actually means the sixth root of 64. Okay, that means x is equal to 2, right? This is one root. And of course, there's 5 other roots. So how to find the other 5 other roots? Now, well, we use the picture like this one. The modulus is 2, right? Modulus 2. So this is one root. This is one root. Then there are 5 others altogether with 6 roots. And these 6 roots all are lied on a circle radius 2 because the modulus is 2. And they divide the whole complete angle or with the paragon into 6 equal parts. So each one is 60 degrees. So the second root is here, 60 degrees. And from here there's another 60 degrees. And another 60 degrees. Another 60 degrees. Another 60 degrees. So all 6 roots forms like this. Okay, so you have 6 roots. Now let me do one by one. Say x is equal to, this root is 2, right? This root is minus 2. So you have plus or minus 2. And this one is 2 times 2 times half. This is half. This is half. Plus root 3 over 2i. Okay, this is the conjugate of that one. So this is 2 1/2 minus root 3 over 2i's. And this one is 2 negative half plus root 3 over 2i. And this is 2 negative 2 minus root 3i over 2. So all you have 6 roots. And then these are 2 roots. And these 2 roots is to multiply by in, that is 1 plus or minus root 3i. So these are 2 roots. And these 2 roots, when you 2 multiply in, is a negative 1 plus or minus root 3i. Okay, these are 6 roots of this equation. Okay, when you're finding the factors, actually these are factors. When you x minus the root is a factor. X minus another root. See, there's another root. And x minus 1 minus root 3I, and x minus 1 plus root 3I, and these two roots, x minus x plus 1 minus root 3I, and x plus 1 plus root 3i's. So these are 6 roots. These are 6 factors. And then you simplify. Well, we don't want complex factors, right? We want the real factors. So this is a real. This is a real factor. This is a real factor. And this one becomes x minus 1 square minus root 3I square. Root 3I square is plus 3, right? Yeah, plus 3. And this becomes x plus 1 square minus root 3I square, which is plus 3, plus 3. Okay, so we have 6 factors now. So x minus 6, 4 becomes, these are 6 factors, x minus 2, x plus 2, so plus 2. This will becomes x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus 3 plus 4, right? And x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 3 plus 4. So we have these 4 factors for that polynomial x6 minus 64. So it's been done. So I find the roots first, then I find the factors. See. All right, this is one example. Now another example. This one, instead of minus 64, plus 64. This is a different story. Well, this is a different story. We want to factorize this, okay, binomial. We want to find the roots of this equation. When you find the roots, you find the factors. When you find the factors, you find the roots. So, okay, let me use let me find the roots, okay, and then the factors. This equation is x6 is equal to negative 64, which means x cubed is equal to x cubed is a plus or minus 8i, right? Now I'm using one of them, okay, because when I find one, I find the other 5, and one would be x would be cube root, right? Cube root of I times 2. Yeah. What's cube root of I? I is equal to e to the I half pi, right? Therefore, cube root of I is equal to by the Moore theorem is equal to cube is equal to 2 e to the I pi over 6. This is the one root. Okay, this is the one root. Okay, this is the one root. This is the one root of this equation. You have 6 roots, right? When I find one, I find the other 5. Okay, where is this? 2. Okay, this is 2, right? Radius is 2. This is a 2, radius circle. Okay? And pi over 6 is somewhere here. Okay. Pi over 6. This is pi over 6. This root is yeah. This root is somewhere. Yeah. This one, right? This is 2 times. This is root 3 over 2, right? Plus half I. That is one root. That is this root. And you plus 60 degrees again. That's reach here. This is 30 degrees. Pi over 6 is 30 degrees. Then, so this is 2I. Then 60 degrees again. This one is 2 negative root 3 over 2 plus half I. That is this one. Then next would be 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. This will be 2 minus root 3 over 2 minus half I. Okay, that is this one. Then another 60 degrees, this is negative 2I. Then another 60 degrees, somewhere here, this is 2 root 3 over 2 minus half I. Yeah, okay. Oh, you have 6 roots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each of them 60 degrees apart. They all lie on the same circle. Radius is 2. So we find the 6th root. So the 6th root would be x is equal to plus or minus 2I. And when you multiply 2 inside, you have root 3 plus I, right? And it conjugates minus I. This one is this. And then you have this minus root 3 plus I for this one. And for that one, it conjugates, it's minus I. So you have 6 roots. I found 6 roots of this equation. Once you find the roots, you find the factors. So when you x minus factors is x minus the root is the factor. X, okay, x minus 2I, that is one factor. X plus 2I is another one. And x minus root 3 minus I, and x minus root 3 plus I, and 2 more, x plus root 3 minus I, and x plus root 3 plus I. So I found 6 factors. But I don't want complex factors, right? So I want to simplify into real factors. This one this one, that means x squared minus 2i squared. X minus 2i squared is a 4, right? So this becomes x squared plus 4. So this is combined by multiplying these two factors. So this is good because this is a real. And this one times this one is x minus root 3 square minus I square. Minus I square is plus 1, right? These two, this minus this one, this plus the other one, it means x plus root 3 square minus I square, which is plus 1. So this one is equal to x square plus 4, and this one will be x square minus 2 root 3 x, right? Plus 3 plus 1 is plus 4. And this will be x square plus 2 root 3 x plus 3 plus 1. This is 1, so therefore plus 4. So I have 3 factors. I have 3 factors. Each of them is quadratic factors. So I found the factors and I find the roots. So these two are just actually the same question. Find the roots or find the factors. I'm using the complex number now to find the roots. You find a circle, then see, these two questions look like similar, but actually the answers are very different. Okay. Okay, so I think I would like to share my own experience, to find the roots or factors of this kind of equations. Thank you for your watching.